The Big City Master Plan will see £8 billion of investment pumped into the heart of Birmingham, creating 50,000 new jobs and 1.5 million square metres of new floor space. The city centre will be reimagined for the 21st century. One of the key districts that will benefit from the plan is the Jewellery Quarter. It's already one of the most attractive places to live and work in Birmingham, with bars, modern eateries, independent shops and stylish art galleries. A short walk to the city centre, it retains an authentic industrial feel, like some of the hippest areas of London or New York, with more than 200 listed buildings dotting its streets. One of these is the Silversmiths, a stunning Grade II listed heritage building dating back to 1865. Now it's being restored to its former glory, with 34 new apartments set over just 3 floors. Combining stylish fittings with tasteful hand-restored period features, this is an architectural and design masterpiece. The immaculate 1, 2 and 3 bed properties are available from £235,000 upwards, with just a 15% deposit required and nothing further to pay until completion in late 2023 or early 2024. The relatively low prices, growing population, inward investment and shortage of new housing stock in the city give this investment real growth upside potential. And with a developer that has a track record of achieving strong price increases post-completion, as well as rental returns in excess of pre-launch projections, this is an opportunity that investors can be confident will outperform the market. If you want to be part of this magnificent scheme, either as an investor or future owner-occupier, get in touch to find out more about this exclusive project from IP Global.